Hi students, welcome. In this video we are going to understand about Newton's first law of motion with the help of two examples. After that we will see the definition of Newton's first law of motion. So students, see here, first we will take the example of football. As you can see in the diagram, this football is resting on the ground and it is stationary. As we know, this football remains stationary on the ground until we apply some external force to it. This is a practically we know that this football remains stationary on the ground until we apply some force, external force on it. So now further see here, in this diagram we are applying some external force in the form of kick. As you can see here, because of this kick, this stationary football is moving in the upward direction, as you can see. So we conclude here that we need some external force to move this stationary football. Okay, if we don't apply any external force to this stationary football, this stationary football remains stationary on the ground. Okay, now further see, second example is the example of running man. As you can see here, suppose this man is running with the uniform motion in a straight line. Okay, this man is running at a uniform motion in a straight line. As we know, we can't stop ourselves while running immediately at the point. Okay, we need to slow down our uniform speed. After that only we can come to the rest position, that is stationary position. That is, we need to apply some force on ourselves to stop ourselves, okay, while running. Same here, see, while we are running, if we need to take the turn, we can't take a turn in rightward or leftward direction in a 90-degree. Okay, we need to take the turn while in a curved direction. Okay, and we can't take turn here while running in the uniform velocity or uniform motion. We need to slow down our speed while taking the turn, right? So here see, now the here definition here, the Newton's first law of motion states that every body continues in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it is acted upon by some external force. Okay, so see here, in this case, here as we know that this football remains stationary until we apply some external force, as we have seen. And this running man can only stop after he restrict its uniform motion and slow downs. Okay, similarly see here, this moving football we can stop only someone will some if someone catches it. Okay, by applying some force. After that only this moving football come to the stationary position or rest position. So understood students, here Newton's first law of motion states that every body continues in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it is acted upon by some external force. So here see, we require some external force to stop the moving body, okay, and to move the stationary body. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about Newton's first law of motion. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.